Hello everyone, frustrated with slow speed on your T-Mobile 5G gateway? Follow the quick guide to optimize performance and boost your connection. Restart your T-Mobile 5G gateway and use the T-Life app's placement assistance to find the best location for stronger signal. If slow speed persists, check for interference, reduce connected devices, and contact T-Mobile support if needed. Fix 1. Restart the gateway. Power cycle your gateway by unplugging it for about 20 to 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This can clear temporary glitches and improve speed. Fix 2. Check placement. Place your gateway in a central elevated location near an exterior window or wall away from obstructions like thick walls or metal objects. Use the T-Life app placement assistant to test and find the best spot for signal strength. Tap the Home tab at the bottom left of the screen. Scroll down and select your home internet device associated with your Wi-Fi network. Tap on your gateway device to access its detail. Select the troubleshoot gateway option to begin diagnostic. When prompted, launch the placement assistant. You may be offered a short video with a placement tip, as you can skip directly to the next step. Allow the app to access your location if requested, so it can evaluate the signal strength at your gateway's current position. The app will test signal quality and notify you of the result. If the signal weak, move the gateway to a suggested location and retest. Repeat this process, experimenting with different spots until the app confirms you have found an optimal location for the best internet performance. Fix 3. Test signal strength. Use the T-Live app to access your gateway's current signal strength. If the signal is weak, try moving the gateway to a different location as suggested by the app until you achieve better performance. Fix 4. Check for network congestion. Slow speed can occur during peak time when many users are connected to the same call tower. If possible, test your speed at different times of a day to see if performance improves during off-peak hours. Fix 5. Use the right Wi-Fi frequency band. Your gateway supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Use the 5 GHz band for faster speeds and less interference, especially for devices close to the gateway. The 2.4 GHz band is better for longer range but is slower. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.12.1 in the address bar. When prompted, enter the admin password found on the bottom of your gateway. On the left side of the screen, select Network. If you cannot see the network option, yours doesn't support the different frequency band. Click on Wi-Fi network, choose the 2.4 GHz option. Change the network name by adding something like -2 at the end. Save your changes. If you cannot see the option, add external antennas. It is advanced. For areas with a weak signal, consider upgrading your gateway with a high-performance MIMO external antenna. This can dramatically improve signal strength, reliability, and speed, especially if you are far from the nearest 5G tower. Turn the gateway so you can see the bottom. If bracket is installed, remove it. Unplug the power cable, find the 4 antenna cables labeled Antenna 1, Antenna 2, Antenna 3 and ANT4. Match each cable to the same label port on the bottom of the gateway. Insert the prong on each cable into the hole in the port and tighten it. Replug the gateway to power source to power on. Press the shown symbol button until you see the antenna screen. Press OK. Use the shown symbol here buttons to select external. Press 0 for OK again. The antenna will start connecting. You will have a brief service interruption while connecting. Fix 7. Limit bandwidth usage. Disconnect devices not in use and pause or stop high bandwidth activities like streaming or large downloads on other devices to free up bandwidth. Too many devices or heavy downloads or streams can slow your speed. Also, keep the gateway away from electronic devices that may cause interference like microwave, cordless phones, etc., and minimize physical barriers between the gateway and your devices. Reset gateway. It is a last resort. Resetting the device resolves resistant issue but will erase custom settings, so use this as a last step. Locate the reset button on the back of the gateway. Use a pin or a paper clip to press and hold the button. Wait for the LCD screen count reaches 0. The gateway will automatically reset and reboot. Once the animated logo appears, press OK, the O button to confirm the reset process. Fix 9. Contact T-Mobile support. If you have tried all the above and speed are still slow, contact T-Mobile customer support at 1-800-937-8997 for further diagnostic or to check for outages or account issues. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.